If you're considering Agorapulse for your social media management and analytics needs, there are a few key things you should know before making your decision. Agorapulse is a solid platform, but it's essential to understand how it stacks up against competitors like Hootsuite or Buffer. First thing, Agorapulse offers a comprehensive dashboard where you can manage all your social media accounts in one place. Unlike Buffer, which focuses primarily on scheduling posts, Agorapulse provides a full suite of tools, including inbox management and social listening, which gives it a more holistic approach to social media marketing. Next thing, the user interface is straightforward and easy to navigate. For someone just getting into social media management, this could be a big plus compared to tools like Sprout Social, which have a steeper learning curve. You won't have to spend hours trying to figure out how to post or analyze your data. Everything is intuitive. The third thing you should know is about Agorapulse reporting. It provides detailed analytics and allows you to create custom reports, which is a big plus for teams that need to present data in specific formats. While competitors like Hootsuite also offer analytics, Agorapulse reports are known for being particularly easy to understand and share. The fourth thing is Agorapulse scheduling feature. It supports bulk scheduling, allowing you to upload multiple posts at once. This can save a lot of time for teams working with multiple accounts. When compared to Buffer, which requires posts to be added individually, this is a major time saver. Next up, Agorapulse Inbox is a great tool for managing your social conversations. It aggregates all your social messages, comments, and mentions in one place, making it easier to respond. In contrast, while tools like Sprout Social offer similar inbox features, Agorapulse does it with a simpler and more user-friendly design. The sixth thing is customer support. Agorapulse is known for offering great customer service, with options for live chat and email support. Many users find it more responsive than competitors like Hootsuite, where support can sometimes feel a bit slow. The seventh thing is its pricing model. Agorapulse offers tiered pricing based on the number of social profiles you want to manage. While it's priced similarly to competitors like Buffer and Hootsuite, it's worth noting that Agorapulse provides more features at each pricing level, which could make it a better value for growing businesses. The eighth thing you should be aware of is Agorapulse collaboration features. It allows multiple team members to work together seamlessly, assign tasks, and track progress. This is especially helpful for agencies, and compared to Buffer, Agorapulse collaboration tools are more robust and flexible. The ninth thing is that Agorapulse allows you to monitor your competitors, which can help inform your strategy. You can track what your competitors are posting and see how they're performing. This feature gives you insights you won't get with platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer unless you upgrade to their higher tier plans. Next thing to consider is Agorapulse Content Calendar. It lets you easily view and adjust your scheduled posts across multiple platforms. This is something that Buffer lacks, as it's more focused on individual posts rather than a centralized content plan. The 11th thing is the social listening feature. Agorapulse can track hashtags, keywords, and conversations across multiple social platforms, which can be a great asset when you're monitoring brand reputation or trending topics. While Hootsuite offers similar features, Agorapulse social listening is generally seen as more accurate and easier to use. Finally, Agorapulse is a great choice for businesses looking to manage their social media efficiently, with tools for everything from scheduling to reporting. But if you want a platform that's a little more customizable or offers more integrations, you might want to check out other options. We've also got a recommended solution that you can try for free, so check it out if you're looking for something even more tailored to your needs. In conclusion, while Agorapulse is a solid option, there are other platforms out there that might be a better fit depending on your specific needs.